Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today we'll be showing you how to change the input and output of your video and your audio on Webex. So on the left-hand corner, you will see your profile. You could just click settings, go to audio. You have the options to choose which devices are going to ring whenever you have a call. On the speaker part, you can choose where you want your output to come out from. So whether it's from your speaker, through your earphones, it's going to show up in here if it's recognized by your computer. Once you press test, it's going to be playing sample sound. And if you are satisfied with the output of the sound, then you could just press save. The bottom here, if you want to change your microphone input, you can do so by pressing the drop down button on the microphone area. You could choose the input of where you want your voice to be registered. And once you press test, you will be recording a short voice message, which will be played through the speaker that you have selected. You can have the Webex app automatically adjust the volume for your mic, and you can also have the option to unmute temporarily by holding spacebar in this area. So smart audio is a feature of the Webex app where you can change how your microphone will be sounding like whenever you're in a meeting. You could do noise removal. You could do optimize for my voice. Let's say you're in an area where there's a lot of people talking and there's a lot of background noises. You could do that. You can optimize for all voices. For example, you are meeting in a group and you have other group mates with you and they would want to chime in on the meeting, then you can do so. In music mode, if you're playing something on the background while waiting for, let's say, a keynote speaker, then you could do so. For the video input, it's going to show you a preview at the very top. And then you can pick whichever camera that you will be getting the video capture from, whether it's from your webcam or any other camera that is attached to your computer. You can mirror or unmirror your video, zoom your video for it to fit the panel. You can edit the resolution to a less sharp or a sharper picture. You can also edit any enhancements that you would want to add onto your video. And correcting your lighting, your look, touching it up, make you look a bit fresher, customize any brightness, contrast, or resolution by sliding these dials back and forth. So it's going to show it in the preview right here on how it would look like. So when you're in a meeting, you can also edit how it would look like. If you want to be shown with other people in the meeting, you can do so. If you want to be shown in a floating window separate from the people in the meeting, you could also click this, and you can also hide self-view. So if you hide self-view, you wouldn't see yourself in a meeting, even if your camera is on. So you could also customize the incoming video or the video that you will be seeing from other team members or someone you would be calling from, someone you will be in a group with in this area. So if you want to see just some basic layout quality, some basic incoming videos, then you could do it so. If you want a better one, if you want a high resolution video, let's say you are recording your video, then you could do it to high. And then once you're happy with all of your changes, you could just press save here at the bottom. And that's it. That's how you edit your input with your audio and your video on the Webex app.